CTL Toys. In this video, we'll be showing you the Leapfrog Scribble and Write. Here's the front of the box. On the back, it just says some things you could do with it that are pretty cool. Trace with some nice, looks like LED lights in there. Really cool. If you want to pause and read, you can. Pull it a little closer. Focus in. Pause the video. Okay. Just on the side, it shows some other things you can get. On the other side, it just shows trace the lights to learn to write. Okay, I'm gonna get the scissors. Right here. That's on the other side. There's another one right here. And then that's it. Open it up. Pull it out. Here it is. A little fingertips instruction. Here it is. In the back. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. So here it is. Right out of the box. If I can get this out here. This is not working out. There we go. Besides this pin, I'm going to cut it right off here. I don't think you can see it, guys, so sorry about that. There we go, guys. So let's turn it on here. Power it up. There we go.
Hi. Let's write letters and numbers. Press the button to begin.
Okay, great. I'm pretty old for this.
Level 1. Let's write letters and numbers. Press a letter or a number button.
Let's click E.
The uppercase letter E. Let's write it. First, make a line
So annoying.
straight down.
Okay.
Next, make a straight line to here. Then, make a short line to here. Finally, make a straight line to here. Press the red rectangle when you're finished.
Okay, let's do this, guys.
Press the red rectangle when you're finished.
Okay.
E makes the sound eh. Well done.
Okay, let's turn this thing off. Let's just take this little tab off here, guys. So this little piece of paper. I think that was the problem. So, thank you guys for watching. I believe this takes 3 AA batteries, as it says right here. A pretty awesome toy. I recommend it. It has level 1 and 2. And it has some sound things. You can do ABCs, uppercase ABCs, lowercase ABCs, and numbers. It says there. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other CTL Toys videos. If you give me 100 likes in this video, we'll be doing lots of other toy reviews. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.